Hello friends, today we will discuss the another problem of Wipro assessment. The problem is to find the nth Fibonacci. Here we have to write a function which will return the nth number in the Fibonacci series. The value of n will be passed to the function as input parameter. Note that Fibonacci series looks like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 54, 55 and so on. That is, Fibonacci series starts with 0 and 1 and contributes generating the next number as the sum of the previous two number. Here we can see that here given that Fibonacci series starts with 0 and 1, means 0 and 1. First number will be 0, second number will be 1. After that, third number equal to, here given that sum of previous two numbers, means 0 plus 1 equal to 1, means it is the third number of the Fibonacci series. Again 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 will be the fourth number. After that 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 will be the fifth number. Similarly, we can find the nth number in the Fibonacci series. We will solve this problem in depth C++ application. Let's start. Now press Ctrl N for new tab. At first we will include the header file, which is has include stdio.h. We will declare the function named as nth Fibonacci. Nth Fibonacci, and we will pass the argument as int input 1. Now we will check the condition. If input 1 equal to 1, we will return the 0, because we know that our first number of the Fibonacci series is 0. Else if input 1 equal to 2, we will return 1. We know that our second number of the Fibonacci series is 1. Else if input 1 equal to 3, we will again return 1. After that, else we will return sum of the previous two term, nth Fibonacci of input 1 minus 1 plus nth Fibonacci of input 1 minus 2. We will return the sum of previous two terms. Now we will write the main function, int main. We will declare the number as input variable. Now we will take the number from user, enter the number. Now read it from keyboard, %d ampersand number. After that we will call the function %d. Here our function name is nth Fibonacci. Nth Fibonacci, and we will pass the number last get ch and close. Now by pressing Ctrl S, we will save the program. We will give the name as nth Fibonacci. .c. After that we will select all files. Let's save. Now execute, compile and run. We want to find the third Fibonacci number. Input 3. Here we got 1. We know that third Fibonacci number is 1. Let's check it for another input. Let's say 4. Here it returns 2. We know that the fourth number of the Fibonacci series is 2. Therefore our program is right. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more these types of questions and solutions. Thank you.